Hello fellows, welcome to another episode. This is our first giveaway. We finally reached 100 subs. Actually it's 109. However, I had a couple of weeks to upload a video, so it's not quite sure that I will upload every week or every 2 weeks. We are still having the Bitcoin running. We are still on trade because I will release another video in the upcoming week. So anyway, I will be fast. Guys, you are 109 subs. Actually, officially, remember what I've said in my channel. It's 730 USD. So actually, this divided by 3, it's 245, let's say, per person. So I have created an Excel file. These are your subscriptions. Even though you are 109, officially you are 42 because most of you use you hide your email. So I don't know exactly who you are. I will use 6 winners. The reason is very simple because you might not reply. I will give a couple of days for you to reply back. I mean, how you want to take the profits from this account. So actually, I will open, well, I have already opened a random number generator. It's 1 until 42. So I will hit a couple of tries. I mean, I'm not quite sure. Okay. Let's do like, let's use a golden ratio number. Let's do 5. 1, 2, 3, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so 243 USD, guys, because the original account is always in euro. However, always the amount will be in USD. So let's start with the first winner. So it's the number 29. Okay, let's go to the second one. 32. Okay. 31. Let's go with the next one. 16. Another one. 28. One more. 29. Okay. So these are the numbers. Of course, you understand that for each number there is an email. I will send you an email. So keep that in mind. 3 of you will be the winners. I cannot show officially the emails, you know that. Again, if the winners want to write something on this video and want to post on the comment, you are welcome. Again, if not, it's fine. It's okay, guys. Again, as I've said in this channel, you are going to see very hot stuff, and this is the reason that we created this channel. We are trading our account. It's almost more than several weeks. The official material is around 2,280 hours. However, it's unedited, so I will try to use that and put them in my videos. I will be short. The next target will be 1,000 subs. I don't know where the account will be there. Again, guys, thank you very much. Also, thank you for your messages. I cannot reply to all of them, and for sure not right away. I'll try to cover the most topics that you are interested. For sure, you are doing me some generic questions that I have already answered several times, like the risk reward and so on. However, this is normal while you are start trading. Thank you very much again, guys. I didn't expect to happen. Of course, it didn't happen really soon. It took us around 8 months. However, this is not the case. Again, a huge thank you for your contribution, and that I also appreciate that most of you have an idea of trading. Guys, I really don't know what to say. I mean, I didn't expect to happen because I also it happens to be close to my birthday, even though I'm not such a kind of guy. I mean, I don't believe in faith or anything like that because we create our own faith. Practice makes you better, so it doesn't matter your opinion. So our next target will be 1,000 subs. Actually, I don't know when we will achieve that. However, we will be here. You will see our progress. And again, guys, I appreciate a lot your messages. Again, I prioritize messages that show some techniques or some strategies. If you are sending me like an indicator, or if you are doing just an indicator and an adjustment, for sure it won't work. However, yes, if you want to send it to me, for sure you will. But there are so many that I cannot check each message. I will, I'm checking them. However, it takes time, and also I will try to reply every time with a video. We have still open trades. I will also make another video in swing trading, because I'm holding my trades for more than 6 months, and this is the reason that you won't see any new material for the moment, guys. Again, thank you very much. Leave a comment for the YouTube algorithm. You know that you also need to like. I also appreciate your subscriptions and, of course, your comments. Thank you very much. Trade safe, and I hope I'll see you in the future.